Wasn't paying attention to the locomotives. I'm sorry, but I'll make sure I put them in the description. I swear these guys are all getting to know me. This is a Union Pacific heading northbound at milepost 479 on the Palmdale Cutoff, Mojave Subdivision, Southern California. Just to the right, we've got a tied down BNSF on main track number 2, right around milepost 68.2. These are cement hoppers on the left so far. I got to stay on this angle. We got a big ball of sun over my left shoulder, so we're going to stay right here. First couple were marked hydrochloric acid. Union Pacific has the best freight trains around here. They're all pretty good, but Union Pacific took over so many other railroads. They got a lot of classic old cars. It's fun to spot them out. Buddy's right down here at my side. We're at Keenbrook. They built these tracks up here on the left in 1967. Santa Fe owned the tracks down to the right. Southern Pacific owned these up to the left, and they were feuding. Santa Fe wouldn't let them use their tracks, so they built their own. They built 71 miles or 70-something miles of track from Palmdale to West Colton. The BNSF tracks were first built by, I can't remember the name. It may have been like something like Southern Railroad Company. Don't quote me on that. In 1885. The track furthest to the right, main track number 3 over there, was built in 2007. Nice box cars, some lumber bulkheads. One of the subscribers, actually a lot of you, have commented about how much raw material comes in and out of Southern California. See the lead locomotives way out there? Beautiful day out here. The wind is just starting to pick up. Yeah, think about that, 1885. That was before there was automobiles. Long time ago. Pretty train. Bulkheads, lumber bulkheads, center beams. Normally these two with the these hoppers with the two bottoms are normally cement. Got a rear DPU coming. Another crossing down there. It's not a gate, it's just a crossing, but I can hear the horn. Alright, I guess we'll let you go and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll just link them up and I'll put my goodbye on the last one. Take care, you guys, and talk to you soon. Love you. Stay tuned.